Hey everyone, what's going on? I hope you all are doing good. Well, none of you asked me about my skincare routine, but here I am. I'm gonna show you just that. I'm gonna show you how I take care of my skin, how I protect my face, and here's my review of my Exor carbon fiber helmet. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about what Exor actually is. Exor started its journey in year 2015 with the collaboration of international designers and expertise in the industry. Axor helmets are conceptualized and designed in Italy and exclusively promoted by the pioneers of the industry Vega India. So firstly, let's talk about the construction of the helmet. The helmet is made entirely of carbon fiber. So if you don't know about carbon fiber, it is the strongest and the lightest material in the automotive industry. And yeah, it looks cool as well. So since we're talking about the lightest and the strongest material carbon fiber, this helmet only weighs 1200 grams plus or minus 15 grams depending upon the padding and other accessories that you put inside the helmet. Now secondly, let's talk about the safety rating of the helmet. The helmet comes with DOT and ECE certification. Now don't get confused with this jargons. DOT is the American standard of safety rating while ECE is the European standard of safety rating. And yeah, these are way above ISI mark. So now let's talk about the comfort of the helmet. The padding inside the helmet is completely removable and washable. So in case your helmet tends to get dirty from the inside, it starts to stink, you can just remove all the padding from the inside, throw it in a washing machine, dry it off and put it back on. In case you have ever happen to break the pin locks as well, you can buy the padding separately as well. So that is a win-win situation. Now since I mentioned that the helmet is made of entirely of carbon fiber and it looks cool as hell, let's talk about the design. So as you might know, I live in Delhi and Delhi's summer is very much like my RC390, hot AF. Axo helmets has three air vents, one at the top, one at the chin and one exhaust at the rear. Talking about the design of the helmet also has curved rim at the bottom to help protect your neck in case of any crash. It also has a rear spoiler to help in stability at high speeds. So that is basically the construction of the helmet. The helmet looks good, it performs really well, it is comfortable as well. The one last point that I have for the construction of the helmet is that it also has pockets for speakers for communication system. So for example, if you have a Sena or any Bluetooth device and you want to insert the speakers inside the helmet, it also has pockets for that. So that is a win-win situation. You don't have to fiddle with the structural integrity of the helmet and you can fit any accessories you want onto the helmet. So now finally let's talk about the price of this helmet. Frankly speaking, this is the best carbon fiber helmet that your money can buy. So the helmet only costs about 8,000 rupees here in India and it might vary depending upon where you get it from and what discount that you are getting. So if you want to know where I got this helmet from, do drop a message on my Instagram. I'll direct you to the store where I got it from and you can mention my name and you might get a discount over there. So yeah, that basically sums up my review of this Axor Rage Carbon Warfare helmet. That's a mouthful. So if you like this video, a thumbs up would be appreciated. And as always, let nothing hold you back in life and always keep moving forward. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.